Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about case replacement. What do you do whenever your kid decides to put his leg on the tower and it falls over and breaks? 3 times. Aww. Well, you buy a new case. Today I'm going to share with you a great budget case from Amazon.com. And here it is.
If you call now, within the next 20 minutes, because you know we can't do this all day.
Okay, here on Amazon.com, got a Thermaltake Versa C22 Black Edition RGB LED lighting. It's a mid-tower computer chassis. It's just the case. Don't get excited. Yeah. 57 bucks. Comes in black, white, and C21, whatever that is. I went with the black case.
It's so beautiful.
Add glorious RGB lighting to your gaming PC. It supports 2 USB 3.0s, 2 USB 3.0 ports, HD audio ports, LED, RGB control. As you can see right here, all the buttons are right up on top, easy to get to. You got your RGB in the top and the front. Comes already with fans. Not bad at all for the price. Definitely a good deal. Here's another better view of the top. Power button, plugs on each end, button for the RGB. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Okay, it comes in a package like this from Amazon when it ships.
Meanwhile,
Thermaltake Versa C22. Cool all your life. I've already taken the time to cut it.
Your powers are weak, old man.
Nice. Okay, let me pull this out a quick second. Okay, here's what it looks like out of the case.
Impressive.
There's the bag.
Most impressive.
Here's the side. It's a nice acrylic side, you can see it. Still has a plastic on top. And the front. Okay. Let's get some wires plugged up and then show you what it looks like. Okay, here's what the case looks like when it's all plugged up and running now. It has double light bars on top, plugs for your plugs, light bars in the front.
Indeed you are powerful, as the Emperor has foreseen.
Very nice looking case. Sturdy, durable. Definitely a good replacement case. It has all these little pieces that you can pull out. They're left end to cover the plugs to protect them. But you got your USB, USB 3.1, headphone, microphone jacks. You have the power button. You can turn the lights on and off, or you can cycle in between the different cycles that it does. Yeah. You can do solid, you can do breathing, just whatever you prefer. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss anything. Make sure to turn on post notifications too, so you know the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see you soon.